It was a bright Saturday morning. Emma woke up feeling excited. Tomorrow was her 12th birthday, and she couldn't stop thinking about it. She wondered if her parents had planned anything special. However, everyone in the house acted completely normal at breakfast. Emma's mother smiled and said, "Happy almost birthday. We will celebrate tomorrow, but today we have a lot of work to do." Emma felt a little disappointed. She had hoped someone would mention a party, but nobody did. After breakfast, her father asked Emma, "Can you help your grandmother today? She needs someone to stay with her while we run some errands." "Of course," Emma replied politely. Emma spent the afternoon with her grandmother. They baked cookies, watered the flowers, and played card games. Her grandmother kept smiling in a mysterious way, but Emma didn't notice anything unusual. Meanwhile, back at Emma's house, everyone was very busy. Emma's parents decorated the living room with colorful balloons, ribbons, and bright lights. Her older brother Jake hung a large banner that read, "Happy Birthday, Emma." Her aunt baked a delicious chocolate cake covered with strawberries and whipped cream. Emma's best friends Lily, Noah, Sophia, Mia, Ethan, and Daniel arrived quietly. They helped arrange the gifts on a table and prepared fun games for the evening. Everyone whispered softly, "Do you think Emma will be surprised?" Lily asked. "I'm sure she will," Jake answered, with a grin. As the sun began to set, Emma's father called her. "Grandmother, we're ready," he said. Grandmother smiled and turned to Emma. "Your parents asked me to bring you home now." Emma nodded. "I wonder why they wanted me here all day." When they reached the house, everything looked dark. Emma frowned. "Is nobody home?" she asked. "Go inside," her grandmother said gently. Emma slowly opened the front door. The room was completely silent. She took one small step inside. Suddenly, surprise. "Happy birthday?" The lights turned on. Colorful balloons floated across the room, and everyone cheered loudly. Emma gasped in amazement. "Oh my goodness!" she exclaimed. "I can't believe this." Her friends ran over and hugged her. "We've been planning this for weeks," Lily said. Emma looked around the beautifully decorated room. There were balloons of every color, sparkling lights, fresh flowers, and a big birthday table filled with delicious food. "I thought everyone forgot about my birthday," Emma admitted. Her mother smiled warmly. "We wanted it to be the biggest surprise ever." Emma laughed happily. "You definitely surprised me. Soon, everyone gathered around the birthday cake. The candles were lit, and everyone began singing, "Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you." Emma closed her eyes and made a silent wish before blowing out all 12 candles in one breath. Everyone clapped loudly. Her father sliced the chocolate cake, and each guest received a large piece. The cake was soft, rich, and delicious. After eating, it was time for games. The children played musical chairs, balloon races, and a treasure hunt around the house. During the treasure hunt, Emma discovered small clues hidden behind books, under cushions, and inside flower pots. The final clue led her to a beautifully wrapped gift box. Inside was a brand new bicycle with a shiny blue ribbon tied around it. Emma's eyes filled with happy tears. "I've always wanted a bicycle like this," she said. Her parents smiled. "You've worked hard at school and always helped others. You earned it." Emma thanked them with a big hug. As evening continued, everyone danced to cheerful music. They took funny photographs wearing colorful party hats and silly glasses. Jake organized a small talent show. Sophia sang a beautiful song. Noah performed a magic trick. Lily told funny jokes that made everyone laugh. Emma even played her favorite song on the keyboard, and everyone applauded. Later, the guests gathered outside in the garden. The sky was filled with bright stars. Emma's grandmother handed her a small gift. "This one is from me," she said. Emma carefully opened it. Inside was a beautiful photo album filled with family pictures from the day Emma was born until now. Each page contained handwritten notes about special memories. Emma gently turned every page. She smiled, laughed, and even became a little emotional. "This is the most meaningful gift I've ever received," she whispered. Her grandmother hugged her. Birthdays remind us not only to celebrate getting older, but also to remember the wonderful people who walk beside us every year. Emma nodded. "I'll treasure this forever."